everybody, welcome back to today's video. This is the Cookbook Kitchen, the home of cookbook recipes. This is a channel where we tell recipes from different cookbooks, and today we are going to cook from Everyday Low Lectin cookbook. If you don't know the book, this is the book. This is Everyday Low Lectin cookbook, and we'll try and make some focaccia guys, focaccia bread. And this particular recipe, it's interesting. You can make focaccia bread or you can make pizza crust. So in today's video, we'll try and make the focaccia, and maybe we'll try the pizza. The pizza is in which page? Yeah? Let me show you both so that you can see, because the pizza has a photo. Now, oh yeah, my fingers. This is the focaccia bread, guys. And oh my god, look at that pizza. Look at that. That one we have to try it out, guys. But before we try out the pizza, let's try out the focaccia bread. This is what the book says. The book says that this particular recipe is nut free and egg free, and it is easy to freeze and reheat, so you can make a big batch and have focaccia bread whenever you feel like having some. The book says that the texture is that of normal flat bread. It says like bread. Then feel free to personalize it with your favorite herb combination. Yeah, that's it. So guys, let's see what we are working with today so that we can begin. Karibu sana. So guys, for this focaccia recipe, we are going to need some sorghum flour, some cassava flour, some salt, some psyllium husk. This is some, what is this? Baking soda. And then I have some rosemary. I have some oregano or any herbs of your choice. So I've chosen to go with oregano. We're going to need some apple cider, some olive oil, and some warm water. So let's begin. My oven is preheating. This is a very simple recipe. This will be the first time I'm trying out focaccia, for the first time in my life. So guys, we are going to combine our flours. It's the cassava flour. No, that's the sorghum flour. This is the cassava flour. And as always, guys, check the exact measurements of everything in the book, guys. So we've done our sorghum and cassava, our psyllium husk, our salt, and our baking soda. I discovered psyllium husk through Claudia's books, but with Back to Perfection, I've learned a whole new science about psyllium husk, the way you use it to make a gel. So guys, we are learning every day from these books. You get a lot of information, you learn things that you did not know. I enjoyed this book. So this is done. Then from there we add the rosemary and the other herb that I'm using. I'll just use oregano, or I mix it with something else. Let's just use oregano and rosemary for now. As you can see, guys, the book says this is a nut-free and egg-free recipe. So that's it. Then we are left with the water, the apple cider, and the olive oil. Then we're going to put our apple cider and our olive oil, and then we start adding water bit by bit and mixing with a spatula or a wooden spoon. So guys, as you can see, I've not even finished my first batch. I can call it my first batch of the water, and I think I have achieved what the book says, because the book says you need to get a flexible, gluey dough that sticks together and is well hydrated. So I don't even need to add more water, because there's a second batch of water that you need to add if this one is not enough. But so far I think I'm okay. This is my dough, guys. I think I've achieved the flexible gluey dough that sticks together. Yeah. So guys, we need to roll. We've divided it into two equal parts. Hopefully they are equal. Then we're going to roll until we get a round sheet about 7 inches or 18 centimeters in diameter. Let me fix the edges a bit, that it looks cute. Don't want it to look dehydrated and malnutrition and not taken care of. Let's see if we have 10 centimeters. Kitchen ruler manenos. It's even okay. So there we go. Then the next thing we're supposed to do is portion with a dough cutter into 8 triangles. And then transfer the triangles on a baking sheet. Triangles. Half. Then we'll do. This will be 4. Add 2. And there we go. So my people, our focaccia bread is out of the oven. Wow, looks interesting. Now, there's something I forgot to tell you when I was let me tell you. When I was cutting, the book says this is my favorite way of shaping and portioning the dough after trying a few other methods. I feel it gets more evenly cooked this way with the right proportion of crust. So that's the reason why we cut it into triangles, but you can cut it however you feel like. So compared to what is in the book, I don't think we are anywhere close. But let me bring a close up. Let me bring a close up. You see, totally different. Doesn't look like what is in the book. But let's taste and see. Let's taste it first before we judge ourselves harshly. Number one, the kitchen smells really nice. The smell is wow, it's really nice, and even the bread is really nice. My people, Even though the look is not looking, the bread is yummy. I can't wait to make pizza with it. It's really nice. It's really nice. I love the combination of the rosemary, the oregano. Wow, the smell. I love the taste. This is something that I can cook again and again. And the fact that I've seen you can use this dough to make pizza, I'm looking forward to trying out pizza bread. Not pizza bread, but pizza with it. But I like it. In fact, it's really nice. Don't let the look fool you. They taste really nice. That's for sure. That's for sure. Trust me on this, guys. Don't let the look fool you, but they taste really nice. And the smell in the kitchen is really, really nice. I love this, guys. I love this. But I don't know, maybe when I was doing the rolling, I rolled it very thin. But I tried to measure. But it's okay. That's why we are here, to try these recipes out. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. So don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Let's see if the following video after this will be the pizza or what. I don't know. Maybe the pizza from this book like I showed you, or a different video, but watch out for that. Bye bye and God bless.